In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious, soft and moist cupcake using simple ingredients that you have in your home. These are so good and so easy to make that you can have this ready in 30 minutes. Let me show you how it's made. To your bowl, add some butter. This is 125 grams of butter. Then add half a cup of sugar. Then you're going to cream this all together. Just cream this for about 5 to 7 minutes till everything is well mixed, till it starts to look pale. So you're going to keep creaming this till it's really softer, lighter and very pale in color, just like this. It's going to take just about 5 to 7 minutes. So after that, you're going to add some vanilla. I forgot vanilla, but you're going to add some vanilla, about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then you crack your 3 eggs in. So you're going to crack your eggs in one after the other. After every egg, you mix this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Don't add the eggs all at once. You want everything to be well mixed, so add the eggs in one after the other. I'll just scrape everything in so everything is well mixed together, and crack the last egg in and mix together till well combined. Just mix till well combined, don't over mix it, just mix it till everything is well mixed. Here I have my flour. It's 1 cup of flour. I'll add just about a pinch of salt, and then I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'll go ahead and mix this properly till well combined. Then I'm going to add half cup of milk, but I'm not going to add everything all at once. So I'll first go in with about half of the flour, just like this. And then I'll mix this till combined. You don't want to over mix this. Just as soon as the flour is well mixed, you just stop mixing, and then add about half of the milk and mix again just for about a few seconds till it's well combined. Then add the remaining half of the flour and just repeat the process. Mix it till everything is well incorporated, and add the last batch of the milk and mix this. Don't over mix this. Just as soon as it comes together, stop mixing. Otherwise you end up with a tough and strong cake, okay? And we want it to be really soft and nice and light, so don't over mix this. Just scrape everything in and mix, and then that's it. So this is what your cake batter should look like. It should feel really light. So if your batter is heavy, if it's heavy on your spoon, you're going to end up with a tough cake. So this is ready, and then I'll just keep this aside, and I'll line my baking tray with some paper, just like this. I'll go ahead and scoop the cake batter in just as so. Don't fill it up too much to the top because it's going to rise, so just fill it up just a bit over halfway through. And then at this point, make sure that you're already preheating your oven. So I'll heat it like this to release some air bubbles. You should preheat your oven for about 15 minutes before baking so that your cake bakes evenly. I baked at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. So our cake is all ready now. It smelled so good and it was so soft and so delicious. This is my go-to recipe anytime I want to make soft cupcakes that is easy and delicious. So if there's something you're willing to try, leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.